What's up guys, it's Supercar Blondie. I'm in Los Angeles. I'm actually at the place where they made the cars from the Fast and Furious extremely successful franchise, and there's one of them right behind me here. This is the Ice Charger. It was used in the Fast and Furious 8 by Vin Diesel. And I just want to show you around. This is the actual car that was driven. How amazing. This here, the back is the best bit, right? Obviously. This bit here, this is the turbine. And this actually shoots flames. How crazy. So the flames come out of here. So this turbine here actually charges the EMP. This is the electromagnetic pulse. And if you turn this on, so it all lights up, everything else, actually the special effects department needs to be involved in this little bit here. So they're not here at the garage. So it doesn't light up at the moment, but if they were here, they could do all of that. That would be so cool. You can see it in the movie anyway, how it works. And so this, the EMP, actually completely shuts down all electricity around it. So what would happen is if you turn it on, helicopters would literally fall out of the sky. Movie stuff. The magic of movies, right? Let's get in. So this car is actually based off a Dodge Charger. But pretty much everything has been replaced panel-wise. The roof is probably one of the only original panels left on the car. But the wipers don't work anymore, but everything else does. So if you start down here, this is not the clutch, brake, and accelerator. This is the accelerator, brake, and brake. So there are two different brakes in the car. And so this is like the normal brake that controls all four wheels, the one in the middle. And then on the left side is the brake that controls just the two rear wheels. So it means you can drift super easy. Look here, this one. That's the magic right there. So let's turn it on. Alright, so this is the master switch. We're going to just turn that on. It turns the power on to the car. And then start her up. Blown away filming the exhaust?
Yeah.
So cool, man. So,
Take it for a spin?
yeah, okay, let's go. Just have to work it all the way down into first gear. We're in first. Alright.
Whoa, you just stole it. What happened?
Yeah, well, it wasn't me. It was the EMP, the electromagnetic pulse.
You turned it on?
Well, I turned it on just to see what would happen, and it just fully cut the
They
engine
said
out.
you can't turn it on in case there's helicopters.
Sorry, mate. Like,
She
I'm
turned
not-
the EMP on! Oh my
I
god,
had
it's
to see
always
what would
you,
happen.
Blondie.
Yeah, just, you know, I'm in
Don't-
Hollywood.
Don't turn the EMP on again. Alright, now go back again
Oh my God,
more
it's so
so
hot
I
in
can
here. There's
film
no
how you
aircon.
drive.
I'm dying.
Go.
I'm dying.
Go.
Please don't put me back in the hot box.
Go, go.
That was cool. It turns like super easy. If you just go tiny millimeter to your left, the wheels are just gonna go.
So you just ended up in the Fast and Furious garage?
This is the Fast and Furious garage. So this is not the only car that they have here. Should we go around and have a quick look?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, cool. So
She turned on the EMP before.
yeah, I did. Yeah?
Electromagnetic pulse. And killed the engine. I told her she's not allowed to, but...
It's alright, she's gotta do what she's gotta do. You gotta do it, right? I'm in Hollywood, man. Yeah. I'm in LA. What am I meant to do? Alright, so these are the cars that you'll see in the movie series. Here's the Murcielago. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we got this. This is the 1974 Ford Escort. This one was actually driven by Paul Walker in the movie. But this one's quite iconic.
I would recommend not driving this car only because there's no brakes.
No brakes at all. Okay.
No brakes at all.
No brakes.
The only brake that works is the e-brake right now. But if you turn that red switch, the big one that says battery.
Yep. And is it the same as the other one in that this is
Nope,
the
this
brakes?
is the actual manual car.
Oh, it's manual. Okay, perfect.
So, you know,
But no
it's,
brakes.
It's clutch on the left, gas on the right, brake in the middle.
Okay, and it's in
It's in
neutral.
neutral.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. So we just.
So what do you mean? There is a brake in the middle?
But it doesn't work.
The brake system's not working right now.
Okay.
We just got this out of mothballs, so we'll wait till Universal wants to do something with it. But at this point, so just turn the red knob.
Okay, to the right or?
Yeah.
Yep. All right.
There you go.
Okay.
And flip the blue one up that says pump, and then flip the switch up, and then the ignition.
This one.
Yep.
Switch
Up.
up.
And then there's a push button on the fire on the tunnel there, right? Just a little to your left. Right there.
Here. Ah.
There you go.
And this is the start
Yep.
button itself.
Yep, you
Ah,
can just
okay.
bump it real quick and just make sure it's in neutral. There you go. Okay. Give it a little gas. There you go.
That's cool. Awesome. That's so cool. I just need two big strong guys to stop the car once I'm driving.
I can be
No,
one.
you don't count.
Huh?
When you switch it off, just the ignition. I'm gonna try the ignition. There you go. So, oh my god. I promise I didn't break it. It wasn't me. There, it's back to normal. Oh god, that's so cool, man. So cool. There we go.
Awesome.
There it is. Oh gosh. Alright.
Oh, I think your camera beats my camera. Damn it! It's got a bigger camera than me. Oh, my world is ending.
It's all about how you use the camera. It's all about the final photos,
Is that how it
video.
works? Is it? Oh,
yeah,
right,
yeah.
I see. Okay.
I've seen some big cameras take some bad video, if you know what I'm saying.
I have no idea what he's talking about at this moment. No idea. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Alright.
Who are you here with?
Oh, I'm here with the Black Nerd, aka Andre, or I'm here with Andre, aka the Black Nerd. Boom.
Yes, I'm just here. Either way, I am here.
When you're walking down the street, do people yell out like, "Yo, Black Nerd, what's up?"
Every once in a while.
Yeah.
And that's not even if they've seen my channel. They just look at me and just go, yo, Black Nerd. There happens to be one walking down the street there. It's like they're playing a bingo game or something,
Like you've got it
car
written on your
bingo.
forehead or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. All right, we got it. All right, guys, like and subscribe. We'll see you around on the next vlog somewhere in the States. Whoop.
Spitting these bars. Checking out cars.
That's pretty much it. That's how the jig goes. That's start to end.
It works. It works.